I'm gonna warn you right now, do not buy this if you do not like compliments or attention, because what is this? This is the Mezchi studded bling diamond. It's like a 17-ounce tumbler. Y'all, what? Oh my God. Okay, it's stainless steel. One of my favorite features. When it goes in this straw, like a lot of times there's a lot of space, so it rattles when you're driving. Not this one. It's like a really nice tight fit. It is 304 stainless steel on the inside. Y'all, this, oh my God. Oh yeah, before I forget. It comes with the cleaner here, and then these are to clean the straw, which is also metal, by the way. I put hot and cold beverages in here, and it does fit in like your car cup holder, because I was so tired of this basic Becky bottle right here, and I bought this. I'm obsessed. Yeah, just buy it. Look at it. God. You want to make sure that you buy whoever in your life likes glittery things, diamondy things, their favorite gift. Just go ahead and pick this up. Done. Call it. You can thank me later.